It's always an exciting day when you receive your first WAYKS package. When your travel backpack arrives, it will look like this, with the roll top folded over the front. There's a small hidden garage behind the hanging loop at the top of the backpack. This is where the roll top webbing can be stowed. Just pull it out, roll up the roll top, and attach this G-hook to the loop on the front of the backpack. Inside the day pack, in the mesh zipped pocket, you will find simple shoulder straps. These can be used to transform the day pack into the light day pack. The cube also comes with some accessories. Inside the lid of the cube, you'll find a zippered pocket. This contains the strap that can transform it into a crossbody bag. Inside the cube, you'll also find the padded hip belt. These items can be stored inside the cube when not in use. You'll also receive our thank you card. On the other side, there's a QR code to the manual with more tips and tricks to help you make the most out of your new WAYKS.